Hi, this is Miss George. I just wanted to go over with you guys how you should be doing Cami. We've had a couple of issues. It's across the district, it's not just Parkview. And one of the coaches at another school found a solution. So we're going to try and do things this way because I know we've had teachers where the students have done the work and it disappears, or half the kids are able to do something and half of them aren't. It's a server issue, it's not us. Yay! But we think we found a solution. So what you want to do is we're actually going to be uploading any Cami assignments from our desktop. Instead of going into the drives that we have on Google, we're going to actually save it to our computer. So I'm just going to show you how this is going to work. So for example, I'm going to go into the ELAR department because just for an example, I'm going to go to our project. We are actually working on a text called Sound of Thunder. I'm going to use this outline that we are going to have the kids working with. So I can't share it with Cami using a Google Drive, Google Doc. That seems to be the issue. So I'm actually going to save this as a PDF to my computer. So I go to File, Download. I'm going to download it as a PDF document. And I actually did it already. Oh, there it goes. All right. Once it's done, I'm going to click on it, and here it is. And I'm going to right click and hit Save As. And I actually, on the desktop, I have a folder for most of my departments. So I'm going to click on 8th grade reading. Our first project is project 1. So you might want to have folders on your computer already organized, makes your life easier. And I've already actually done it because I tested it first, and I'm saving it here as a PDF document on my computer. Yes, I'll replace it. Okay, so then when I go into my classroom, go to classwork, I'm going to hit create Cami assignment. Instead of instead of going to the Google Drive symbol, I'm going to go to the little paperclip symbol. And I've already been there, but I would go to desktop, click on whichever folder. I'm going to do my outline for Sound of Thunder, open, and then you can put a title, put your instructions, make a copy for each student. This should work. The school where they have started doing it this way, they haven't had any issues since they started doing it this way. And I know it's a pain because we have a lot of our documents in our shared drive, but hopefully this will work. So if you have questions about this or any concerns, you can contact me or Miss Pace. Thank you guys.